Welcome back to another video. In this video, we will be diving into the world of the iPhone 15 Pro Max Titanium Blue 1 TB. Let's explore the 6 key features that make the iPhone 15 Pro Max worth buying. Titanium matte finish, advanced telephoto, Super Retina XDR display, Pro camera lenses, action button, improved night mode. Let's unbox the iPhone 15 Pro Max Titanium Blue and see what's inside this sleek package. As we open the box, you can see the iPhone placed up top. Beneath the phone, there's an organized set of accessories, including the charging cable, amp essentials. Don't forget to check the essentials: the SIM card tool, warranty information, and the iconic Apple sticker. The iPhone has a USB-C Lightning port, and the box includes a braided charging cable as well. The iPhone 15 Pro Max features a stunning design with a titanium finish. The other models are black, white, natural, and blue titanium. This one is the blue titanium. It's incredibly durable and feels great in your hand. Power on your iPhone by pressing the side button. After powering on the phone, the setup process is quite easy as it takes a few prompts. Select your preferred language and region. You can choose from a wide range of options. Action button is set to toggle between ring, silent, and different modes. It's a shortcut to quickly access frequently used functions with just a tap. A simple press of the action button can take a quick screenshot or silence your device. Customize your widgets app, organize your home screen for quick access to your favorite apps. One of the highlights of the iPhone 15 Pro Max is its advanced camera system. The iPhone comes with a 48 megapixels. You can shoot in ProRAW and ProRes video recording options. Pictures can be taken from different camera lenses. Explore the latest feature in the iPhone, which is the Dynamic Island. It acts as a quick launch for all your apps. It includes all the essential buttons and features for seamless navigation. At the back of the phone, the matte look has a titanium finish which reduces the fingerprints on the phone. The titanium makes it more lightweight and is the lightest Pro models ever. Choosing the right MagSafe case is essential to keep your device safe. While Apple provides a range of stylish cases tailored for the iPhone 15 Pro Max, you'll also find excellent alternatives on Amazon, especially from ESR. The ESR phone case is compatible with MagSafe, has a military-grade protective case. The iPhone is safe from multiple drops. Also, it has a scratch-resistant back cover. The case enhances both the look and protection of your iPhone. You can purchase this case from Amazon, link in the description below. This phone case offers a portable stand, enabling a hands-free convenience wherever you go. The iPhone 15 Pro Max comes with a Super Retina XDR display of 6.7-inch touchscreen display. It delivers best graphic performance and is a treat for your viewing experience. Stay tuned for the iPhone 15 Pro Max review.